In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an event registration page on Squarespace. First, log into your Squarespace account and open the site you want to work on. From your dashboard, head to the website section. This is your central hub for design and content, and it's where you'll find everything related to your site's structure. Next, open Pages. The Pages panel is where you add, organize, and manage the content visitors see. You'll notice sections like Main Navigation and Not Linked. Not Linked is especially handy when you're building something new and don't want it visible in your site's menu yet. In the Not Linked area, click the plus icon to add a new page. Using Not Linked keeps your work in progress private while you build and refine it, which is perfect for an event page you might still be drafting or testing. When the options appear, choose Group Events. This sets up a dedicated space for your event content, making it easier to manage and expand later. A group can hold multiple related pages, so if you plan to host recurring events or multiple sessions, you'll be organized from the start. You'll now be prompted to select a template. Pick a layout that fits your event style and the kind of information you need to present. Look for a design that clearly highlights the event title, date and time, location, and a clear call to action to register. Don't worry if you're unsure, templates are flexible and you can customize them as you go. Give your page a clear, descriptive name. For example, use something like Spring Workshop Registration rather than something vague. This helps with both clarity for your audience and basic SEO. Keep the name concise, and if you check the page settings, you can also fine-tune the URL slug to make it short and readable. Open the page by clicking Edit. This brings you into the visual editor where you can update text, images, and blocks. From here, you can fully customize the page. Add the event title front and center and include key details like date, time, location, and what attendees can expect. A brief agenda or bullet style highlights converted into short paragraphs can help visitors scan quickly. Insert a registration form using a form block so people can sign up right on the page. Include essential fields like name and email, and add any consent or policy notes you need. Strengthen trust with clear FAQs, a short bio or host description, and a compelling image or banner. Remember to save your changes as you work. Preview on mobile to confirm readability, and keep the page in Not Linked until you're ready to share it publicly. When it looks great, you can later move it into your main navigation so visitors can find it easily.